Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper this, really the background cool like this. So first make sure to subscribe to try to get me to 100 subscribers. And guys, if I'm online, make sure to follow me on Roblox, because if you follow me you can join me, because my joins are on for followers. No, why do this always come up? So yeah, so first I'm going to show you how to change your background. So be right back 1 second. Okay guys, so first what you gotta do is I just removed it, but first you have to search up the Chrome Web Store. And I'm just gonna copy and paste it. So if you search up stylish right there, I'm gonna search it up. You gotta go over here, gotta go to add to Chrome, and then press add extension. And when you do that, just wait it, and it's gonna bring you to this page. And when you get there, 1 second. So sorry, my dad was coming in. So you see, when you get to here, you have to search up Roblox. It's gonna take a little bit to load, so I'll just wait for it to load. I'll pause it. Okay, guys, it finally loaded. So if you see, it'll bring you to this, and then you can pick any one you want. Why does these always come here? I usually pick this one. It's pretty. And you can even make your Roblox thing in the background. It takes a while to load So, wait, what the beard back. Okay, so when you load, so first, you can scroll around, whatever. You can make your Roblox thing like that, or you can make your thing. I'm gonna download the pink. Why does this always pop up? Download pink pass. Wait a little bit. Okay, so when you press the one that you like, press install style. And it should be starting to install. So you just gotta wait a minute. So if it's already not there should be this in the corner that you press it, and then oh, 1 second. Press that, and then you press stylish off and on. You can turn it off and off. And because you're probably not gonna have a puzzle piece I do. But if you don't, press the puzzle piece and press this type of stuff. If there is already this here, you gotta press this and this. But if there's if it just automatically does it, it's good. But if there's a puzzle piece that goes on stylish, put it on and on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Especially subscribe. Or eat your cookies. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, y'all.